Love your mate, don't suffocate on your own hate. Designate your lover's fate. A one world state as human freight. The number 8, a white black slate, a gentle train, the broken crane, a heavy weight, just too late like pretty Kate. As sex all night and devastate. Appreciate, depreciate, fabricate, emulate, a truth dilate, special day, the animal we ate, guilt debate, the edge serrate, a better rate, a youth irate, deliberate, fascinate, deviate, reinstate, liberate, to moderate, recreate, or detonate, annihilate, atomic fate, mediate, clear the state, activate, now radiate, a perfect state, a food on plate, gravitate, the earth's own weight, designate, your lover's fate. At 98 we all rotate, hallucinate, desegregate, mediate, alleviate, try not to hate, love your mate, suffocate on your own hate, designate your lover's fate, a one world state as human freight, the number 8, a white black state, a gentle train, the broken crate, a heavy weight, just too late like pretty Kate, as sex on 8, now death estate, appreciate, depreciate, fabricate, emulate, truth dilate, a special day, the animals we ate, guilt debate, the inserate, a better rate, a youth irate to liberate, fascinate, deviate, and reinstate,